Cataracts are treated with cataract surgery, which involves removing your natural lens that has now become cloudy, breaking it up, and placing a new clear lens that you'll have for the rest of your life. Once you've had cataract surgery, you are not going to get another cataract. So it's pretty cool because it's one of the few things where we can actually cure a problem. And it gives us the potential to give you the best vision possible forever without possibly needing glasses or contacts. How long does cataract surgery take? Typically between 5 and 10 minutes. It's a very quick procedure. Does cataract surgery hurt? No, cataract surgery is not a painful procedure. We do it under relaxation medicine, so you probably will fall asleep. You'll have no idea what's going on. Your eye will be completely numb, and within a few minutes, you'll have great vision. Is cataract surgery safe? Cataract surgery is a safe procedure, but just like any kind of surgery on your body, there are always going to be risks with surgery. They are very low risk, but it's not without any risks. So even though it's a straightforward procedure and your friends will tell you they had perfect vision the next day, every person is unique and we tailor your treatment plan to your specific eyes. What are some risks with cataract surgery? Even though it's a painless, relatively straightforward surgical procedure, it's still surgery. So just like any procedure on your body, there are risks of things like infection, bleeding, swelling, needing additional procedures. It's a very low risk procedure, but it's not zero. Cataract surgery is extremely successful in giving you the best vision possible and potentially not having to wear glasses or contacts.